Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 Yamaha T-Max 500 motor scooter. This full-size scooter just arrived with only 6,600 miles on the odometer. It's got some cool anodized accessories, adjustable levers, covers, adjustable windshield. This scooter is really powerful for you and a passenger to take around the Bay Area or cruise across the country. Come on by and make your big motor scooter dreams come true with this awesome T-Max 500. Price to sell only $34.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.